My name's Mr. Robacher, and I am the art teacher. I think it's time to get into my art uniform. So, this seems a lot better. Got my smock and my brush. Okay, so some words of advice about middle school. Well, my advice is to never be afraid. I just took that from a Disney movie. I don't know which one, because middle school is scary. To be successful, you just have to be willing to take risks. So don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to be different. Don't be afraid to be scared. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes, that's what artists do. That's how we learn. That's how we get better. Be creative. Let's do this. I don't know if I should spin again or not. I'm a little scared. I'm spinning slowly.